Okay, I'm basically finished with the front nose harness. Got it all taped and most of it in place, as well as I have to build the battery box to get the battery to fit in the front of the car. Okay, so I just finished wrapping the harness with the tape, kind of give it some form and protection, form it real good. Got it as best I can to get everything to fit back in the same spot. I'm getting ready to try it back in there. On my box, my brackets painted here. I've got the wiring harness in here. I got a couple of clamps holding it here and here. It comes through the fender wheel here on both sides. See, it goes right through there. I've got some wires here in the front. All this goes to the fan, into the blow-off valve, or the shutdown valve for the AC. This is connected here. Everything is connected down in here. All the power steering connections have been made. Wire comes around here in the front, and it ties into the ABS unit and the power steering pump here. This is the washer motor for like the squirters. But basically that's all kind of in right now, so I need to start working on my battery. I've got this real thin piece of metal here. It's a 16 gauge, and I'm going to cut it out here. I'm going to have a little lip that's going to drop down in the front. I'm going to bend it on these lines, cut it off right here, and then this will be a little box that mounts to the front firewall. Okay, I've been working on my battery box here. I made my bends. I've actually cut some little pieces here and gone ahead and tack welded those to the side for now. I've got screws going through the firewall, holding it in here. It's really in there good. Got a little tie down hole here. These are the two tie down holes that hold the power steering reservoir in place. I had to kind of push it out a little bit here for that bracket that's under there, and I had to drill a hole here for the bolt that goes through here. But it all fits pretty good. The battery fits in there real well. So what I need to do now is I need to figure out the strapping that'll hold the battery in. It'll come up over the top of the battery. It'll be one screw holding it into the firewall and one screw holding it in here to the front strut link. It goes over the battery to hold it all in place. I'll get some little rubber liner here to line the inside of this box and finish the welding and just clean it up real nice, make it look good. Painting, I'm going to spray some rubberized bed liner on the inside of this thing. So I'm going to mask off the outside, and I'm going to go ahead and spray the bed liner in here just to give it a little bit of rubber coating, a little cushion.